ओम शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुधैवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमा कोमलहस्ताब्ज संभावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीतांबरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्ख कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाठी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीतांबरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഈതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, welcome everyone to the class. So we'll do a quick review of 59 and 60. Sujata, can you do one of the chapters?
I'll do 59. Yeah.
Okay. Shobha, உங்களால 60 பண்ண முடியுமா? Okay.
Okay. Dashakam 59. Venugana Varnanam. Twadvapurnavakalaaya komalam प्रेमदोहनमशेषमोहनं ब्रह्मतत्त्वपरचिन्मुदात्मकं वीक्ष्य सम्मुमुहुरन्वहं श्रियः मन्मथोन्मतितमानसाः क्रमात् त्वद्विलोकनरतास्ततस्ततः गोपिकास्तवनसेहिरे हरे काननोपगतिम् अप्यहर्मुखे निर्गते भवति दत्तदृष्टयः त्वद्गतेन मनसा मृगेक्षणाः वेणुनादमुपकर्ण्य दूरतः त्वद्विलासकथयाभिरेमिरे काननान्तमितवान् भवानपि स्निग्धपादपतले मनोरमे व्यत्यया कलितपादमास्थितः प्रत्यपूरयत वेणुनालिकां मारभानदुतकेचरीकुलं निर्विकार पशुपक्षिमण्डलं द्रावणं च दृशदामपि प्रभो तावकं व्यजनि वेणुकूजितं वेणुरन्ध्रतरलाङ्गुलीधलं तालसञ्चलितपादपल्लवम् तत्स्थितं तव परोक्षमप्यहो संविचिन्त्य मुमुहुर्व्रजाङ्गनाः निर्विशङ्क भवदङ्गदर्शिनीः केचरी खगमृगान् पशूनपि त्वत्पदप्रणयिकाननं च ताः धन्यधन्यमिति नवमानयन् धन्यधन्यमिति नन्वमानयन् आपि बेयमदरामृतं कदा वेणुभुक्तरसशोषमेकदा दूरथो बत कृतं दुराशये त्व्याकुला मुहुरिमा समामुहन् அது சேர்த்து சொல்லணுமா?
ஆமாமா, அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் ஆல்சோ இந்த வேணுபுக்த ரசசேஷமேகதா அந்த
அது ஒரு தடவை ரிப்பீட் பண்றேன். ஆபிபேயம் அதராமிருதம் கதா வேணுபுக்த ரசசேஷமேகதா दूरतो बत कृतं दुराशये त्व्याकुला मुहुरिमा समामुहन् प्रत्यहं च पुनरित्तमङ्गनाः चेतयोनिजनितानुग्रहात् बद्धरागविवशास्त्वयि प्रभो नित्यमापुरिह कृत्यमूढताम्.
The first line and the after manganaha chittayoni, not cheta. Chitta.
Okay.
You don't have to repeat
Chittayon. Okay. அப்புறம் இது டிஃபரண்ட் டியூன். ராகஸ்தாவஜாயதே ஹி ஸ்வபாவாத் மோக்ஷோபாயோ யத்னதஸ்யான்னவாஸ்யாத் தாசாந்த்வேகம் தத்வயம் லப்தமாசீத் பாக்யம் பாஹி மாருதேஷா.
பாஹி மாம் மாருதேஷா.
பாஹி மாம் மாருதேஷா. எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலி டிஃபரெண்ட் இருந்தது, நான் உன்னோட இதுல மாத்திட்டேன். ஓகே, பாஹி மாம்.
குட்.
ஓகே, thank you. ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மே நமஹ.
Chapter 59. மதனாதுர சரித சோன்வஹம்.
60.
Oh,
sorry. Okay. Yeah. I think you 59 சொன்னேன். So got confused.
Oh, sorry. You know what? Yeah, 60. Yeah. मदनातुर चेतसोन्वहं भवदङ्घ्रि द्वयदास्य काम्यया यमुनातटसीं निसैकतीं तरलाक्षो गिरिजां समार्चिचन् तव नाम कथारता समं सुदृश प्रातरुपागता नदीम् उपहारशतैरपूजयन् दयितो नन्दसुतो भवेदिति. इति मासमुपाहितव्रताः तरलाक्षीरभिवीक्षता भवान् करुणामृदुलो नदीतटं समयासीत्तदनुग्रहेच्छया नियमावसितौ निजाम्बरं तटसीमन्यवमुच्यतास्तदा यमुना जलखेलनाकुलाः पुरतस्त्वामवलोक्य लज्जिताः त्रपया नमिताननास्वथो वनिता स्वम्बरजालमन्तिके निहितं परिगृह्य भूरहो विटपं तुं तरसाधिरूढवान्.
Shobha, underline parigrihya bhuruho. That's what you have.
Bhuruho. What did I say?
I heard it as bhuraho அப்படின்னு கேட்டது.
Oh, okay. Parigrihya bhuruho. Okay.
Yeah.
इह तावदुपेत्य नीयतां वसनं वा सुदृशो यथा यथम् इति नर्म मृदुस्मिते त्वयि ब्रुवती व्यामुमुहे वधूजनैः अयि जीवचिरं किशोरनस्तव दासी रवशीकरोषि किं प्रदिशाम्बरमम्बुजे क्षणेत् युगदिस्त्वं स्मितमेव दत्तवान् अधिरुह्य तटं कृताञ्जलिः परिशुद्धा स्वगति निरीक्ष्यताः वसनान्यखिलान्यनुग्रहं पुनरेवं गिरमप्यदा मुदा विदितं ननु वो मनीषितं वदितारस्विह योग्यमुत्तरम् यमुना पुलिनेत् सचन्द्रिकाः क्षणदा इत्यबलास्त्वमूचिवान् उपकर्ण्य भवन्मुखच्युतं मधुनिष्यन्ति वचो मृगीदृशः प्रणयादयि वीक्ष्यते वदनाब्जं शनकैर्गृहं गताः इति नन्वनुगृह्य वल्लवीः विपिनान्तेषु पुरेव सञ्चरन् करुणाशिशिरो हरे हर त्वरया मे सकलामयावलिम्.
Parabrahmane Namaha. Good. Okay. Lakshmi, can you be a student today?
Rajesh, na listen on mode da.
Okay. No problem.
Travel பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். Sorry.
No problem. So, Sabita, you and Priya Srikumar, you can be for 61. Amuchichi, you can be for 62. I think Jayashree should join by then. We'll see. So in the 61, I want to explain with meaning, but I won't do it for every stanza. Maybe
blessing the wives in English.
It's blessing the wives of the performers of Vedic sacrifices. And the English half da irukku. So it's so wife of the people who are performing the homam. It's to bless the wives of that. So maybe I'm thinking mudichittu story chodradha. I'll let me just tell the story before, then I can give you context as we are going through this, right? So in the for people who study the scriptures, right, there is a group of people called Mimamsas. There are people. So manas, there are people who reflect. So they are all into philosophy. So deep analyzation of scriptures. That is the core essence of that. So there are two types of people. There are Purva Mimamsas who are very focused on what the scriptures are telling and the philosophy of it. So today, and the very strict followers of the rules of what the scriptures say. That's all they believe in. They feel that you follow those rules and you follow the scriptures and do the homam and everything. That is the means to the end, right? That's what their belief is. Then there is Uttara Mimamsa who came later, who have a slightly different variation of that. So what happens is, there is so one day in Krishna and all the friends, they are all going, after the previous one, they are going the herding. They cross the Yamuna Tandi konja dooram, they cross some place and then they end up going. So at this time, Krishna, remember, he's like 6 years old, right? Around 6.5 years old. So the boys all get very tired and they're all thirsty and hungry. So Anda Sametla, Krishna knows that, and he brings them to a particular point and then he tells them that you go there. There are some people who are actually performing some Angirasa Homam. They are performing as part of a big thing. You go to those people, and as part of the Homam, they would have made a lot of cooked food. So you can go to them and you ask them, you tell them that if the Krishna and Balarama are telling you, sent us, and they've asked us to get some food for us as well as to get for Krishna and Balarama. So the boys all go, they go and then they go ask the people who are offering those sacrifices that can we get some food? The Krishna and Balarama have sent us, can we get some food? We're extremely hungry and thirsty. So on the Sametla, and you'll see in the second stanza, they won't even respond because they are like so focused that I'm doing my homam that I don't want to even talk when I'm doing my homam, right? So they don't respond and they don't say yes, they don't say no. The boys try a few times, eventually they give up and they come back. And when they come back and then they come and tell Krishna, so Krishna says, okay, what you do next? He says, you go behind the place where they're doing the homam, there is a house. And then you go through the back door of the house. And the back door of the house are all the wives of the people who are performing these sacrifices. You go tell them that Krishna has actually sent you and you are hungry and they will give you the food. So the boys all then go. So in the wives of these people who are performing sacrifices, so they have not seen Krishna before, but then they have heard about Krishna before from the other Gopikas who live in Vrindavana because they're on the outskirts. So they've just heard about Krishna, but they haven't seen him. And they also really want to meet Krishna and they feel like he's again God incarnated himself. And they've been really wanting to meet him. They've heard all about his stories and all the great things. So when these kids go in and go tell the wives that Krishna has sent us, so they cannot believe that Krishna has actually come near their house and Krishna is waiting and he actually comes and asks for food. So what they do is all the wives there, they pack all the food that they have and then they decide to leave the house and to go give it. So under Sametla, when they decide to leave, so at this time, the Brahmanas who are sitting there make a very strict condition saying, you cannot leave. We are still doing the homam, and for the homam to be completed, even the wives have certain things that has to be done at the end. So we need the presence of the wives, and you can't give all these offerings before I've completed the homam, and you cannot leave. And if you leave, then you cannot come back. They put a very strict rule for the wives. But somehow those wives, they all decide, that we are going to go. All of them leave except one of them, who her husband forces and says you cannot go, and she's left behind. So all of these other wives end up going, and when they go there, eventually they meet Krishna and everything, and they give him the food, and they are like, really, they're really happy to see Krishna and all that. And Krishna says, okay, I understand what you have done, and that is right, but at the same time, you cannot leave your husbands. Your karma is also important. You still have to go help them finish those sacrifices because it's part of your duty. So that you still have to go, and you have to go back. And then the wives say, oh, our husbands will not accept us back. Krishna says, don't worry, they will accept you back. Krishna then sends them back, and then the kids all have the food and everything. And eventually the wives go back, and then the husbands then realize, that the mistake that they have made. And there is a slogan I'll read from Bhagavatam later when we come to that point of, how they were so engrossed in the laws and the rules that they forgot that the Supreme Personality of God is actually come there and he's sending people to ask for food, and they missed giving that opportunity, right? So instead, they were so focused on these rituals and the practices, and that they missed on it. So they then apologize, and then they take all this, the wives are taken back, and they end up completing the yaga. So that's what this is. And one of the wife who's left behind, and this is not a detailed story, but in Bhagavatam, they just say that she was so disappointed that she could not meet Krishna. And all of these other women come back and they talk about, that how they met Krishna and all that, that she ends up giving her life. And then they say she gets liberated that way, but she died thinking about you and about the missed opportunity of seeing Krishna. One of the wives is left behind with that. So that is this story. And again, what Krishna again is, and this and 62, 63 are the whole. 62 is the 63 is the Govardhanam, lifting of the Govardhana. 62 is the prelude to this. But 61, 62, 63 also is essentially talking about, 61 primarily is talking about you have to do certain things, you got to do your duties, but without devotion, it is worthless. So if you're doing it for the sake of doing something, but there's no devotion in it, it is of no value. So that's why Krishna is not telling the wives, you don't have to go and finish the rituals. He says, it is your duty to go help your husbands perform what they're doing. That is part of your responsibility. You still have to do it. But at the same time, the husbands were lacking the devotion. So he says that devotion is of utmost importance along with any rituals and anything else you're doing. Right, so that's what is that 61. So that is the context of 61. Okay. So now we'll get into this chapter. So tatascha Vrindavanato ti durato. So ati durato, but you can say it together. So Vrindavanato ti durato, comma, vanam gatastvam khalu gopa gokulaihi. Hridandare bhaktatara dvijangana, and then put a plus. Kadamba khanu grahana graham. So that is together because it's kadambaka anugraha agraham. So kadambaka is referring to the wives, anugraha is blessing, agraham is wish. So he wishes to bless the wife. So kadamba kanu grahana graham vahan. Tatascha vrindavanato ti durato vanam gatastvam khalu gopa gokulaihi. Hridandare bhaktatara dvijangana kadambakanugrahana graham vahan.
Tatascha vrindavanato ti durato vanam gatastvam khalu gopa gokulaihi. Hridantare bhaktatara dvijangana kadambakanugrahana graham vahan.
Third line la bhakta thara.
Bhaktatara.
Okay.
Thadanadu.
Amama.
Okay. Tatascha vrindavanato ti durato vanam gatastvam khalu gopa gokulaihi. Hridantare bhaktatara dvijangana kadambakanugrahana graham vahan.
ततश्च वृन्दावनतोति दूरतो वनं गतस्त्वं खलु गोपगोकुलैः हृदन्दरे भक्ततरद्विजाङ्गना कदम्बकानुग्रहणाग्रहं वहन् ततश्च वृन्दावनतोति दूरतो वनं गतस्त्वं खलु गोपगोकुलैः हृदन्दरे भक्ततरद्विजाङ्गना कदम्बकानुग्रहणाग्रहं वहन्
Ato nirikshya sharane together vanantare, comma, kishora lokam kshuditam trishakulam adhurato yajna paran dvijan prati, comma, vyasarjayo didivi yachanayathan. First D is long D, then short D, short V. So didivi yachanayathan. Again, the dvija, wherever it's coming, is referring to the, like we said earlier, twice born, second time born, which is referring to the Brahmins. Tato nirikshya sharane vanantare kishora lokam kshuditam trishakulam adurato yajna paran dvijan prati vyasarjayo diviyachanayatan.
Tato nirikshya sharane vanantare kishora lokam kshuditam trishakulam adurato yajna paran dvijan prati vyasarjayo diviyachanayatan. Tato nirikshya sharane vanantare kishora lokam shuditam trishakulam adurato yajna paran dvijan prati visarjayo diviyachanayatan.
With the last line, vyasarjayo, not visarjayo.
Oh, vyasarjayo. Okay.
ततो निरीक्ष्या शरणे वनान्दरे किशोरलोकं क्षुदितं त्रिशाकुलम् अदूरतो यज्ञपरान् द्विजान् प्रति व्यसर्जयो दीदिवियाचनायतान् ततो निरीक्ष्या शरणे वनान्दरे किशोरलोकं क्षुदितं त्रिशाकुलम् अदूरतो यज्ञपरान् द्विजान् प्रति व्यसर्जयो दीदिवियाचनायतान्
Gateshvatho teshvabhidhaya tebhidam, comma, kumara keshvodhana yachishu prabho shruti stira apyabinan yura. So adu vandu you have to say it together. Apyabinan yura shrutim. So because you can't quite break it because it's api abhinin yurala varum. So apyabinan yura shrutim, comma.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் ராஜேஷ் அது என்ன
Yeah.
எனக்கு யூக்கு அப்புறம் விசர்க்கம் போட்டிருக்கா அது எப்படி சேர்க்கறோங்க நீங்க
Okay, so yuhu irukka abya binin yuhu
ஆமா
and then it has ashrutim.
yes
Okay, so just replace it with a ra. Essentially what it is apya binin and the yuhu kubala it's a ir is the joining thing and then the ashrutim varum. So the ir and the a becomes a ra. Okay, so the way you can say this is apya binin yur ashrutim are the two words, but when you say it together it becomes apya binin yurashrutim.
Urashrutim. Okay.
Okay, so it is apya binin yuhu adha the but the joining letter is a ir and they combine the ir with the a to make it a ra.
Okay.
Next na kinchit uchushcha. If you want to break it, it's kinchit uchushcha, or you can say it together kinchiduchushcha. That's also fine. Mahi surotamaha. So in the ashrutim, the beauty here is the first letter of that sentence, shruti stira. So shruti is the root, the meaning of shruti is another word for Veda, because shruti is whatever you have heard, right? So Vedas were not written, they were heard. So in this case, the shruti is referring to the Vedas, and they're stiram, they're so firm on the Vedas that whatever these boys said, ashrutim, they did not hear it. So in the second part of the ashrutim, it is referring to the literal hearing or not hearing, but in the first word shruti, it's referring to the Vedas. So because they were so firm on it, those Brahmins did not hear what the boys were telling. Gateshvato teshva bidhayate bidham kumarakeshmodhanaya chushu prabho shrutistira apyabinin yurashrutim nakinchidu chuscha mahi surotamaha.
Gateshvatho teshvabhidhayate bhidham kumarakeshvodanayacishu prabho shrutisthira apyabininyurashrutim nakinchiduchuscha mahi surotamaha. Gateshvato teshvabhidhayate bhidham kumarakeshvodanayacishu prabho shrutisthira apyabininyurashrutim nakinchiduchuscha mahi surotamaha.
गतेष्वधो तेष्वभिधायते भिदां कुमारकेशोदनयाचिषु प्रभो श्रुतिस्थिरा अप्यभिनिन्युरश्रुतिं न किञ्चिदूचुश्च महीसुरोत्तमाः गतेष्वधो तेष्वभिधायते भिदां कुमारकेशोदनयाचिषु प्रभो श्रुतिस्थिरा अप्यभिनिन्युरश्रुतिं न किञ्चिदूचुश्च महीसुरोत्तमाः
Anadharat khinna diyo hi balakaha, comma samayayur yuktamidam hi yajvasu chirada bhakta. Chirad abhakta, you can say it together. Chirada bhaktaha is there, so you can put the sound. Chirada bhaktah khalute mahisuraha, comma katam hi bhaktam tvai taihi, put a is there, tvai tais samarpyate. So here the last line, so this thing below all this rules and everything these people are following, right? So if they do not have the bhakti towards you, then how can they samarpanam? How can they offer you anything? That's what Bhattacharya is kind of asking it as a question here. Anadarat khinna diyo hi bhalakaha samayayur yuktamidam hi yajvasu Chirada bhaktah khalu te mahisuraha katam hi bhaktam tvaitai samarpyate.
अनादरात् खिन्नधियो हि बालकाः समाययुर्युक्तमिदं हि यज्वसु चिरादभक्ताः खलु ते महीसुराः कथं हि भक्तं त्वयि तैः समर्प्यते अनादरात् खिन्नधियो हि बालकाः समाययुर्युक्तमिदं हि यज्वसु चिरादभक्ताः खलु ते महीसुराः कथं हि भक्तं त्वयि तैः समर्प्यते.
Samarpya.
எனக்கு இரு வேணுமா இப்ப வேணுமா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வருது
Yeah,
நான் just getting
because the ip is a half ip, that ir
yes
comes before
ir
that.
will go that okay.
अनादरात् खिन्नधियो हि बालकाः समाययुर्युक्तमिदं हि यज्वसु चिरादभक्ताः खलु ते महीसुराः कथं हि भक्तं त्वयि तैः समर्प्यते अनादरात् खिन्नधियो हि बालकाः समाययुर्युक्तमिदं हि यज्वसु चिरादभक्ताः खलु ते महीसुराः कथं हि भक्तं त्वयि तैः समर्प्यते.
Niveda yadvam grihini janaya mam, comma, disheyurannam, double na, disheyurannam karunakula imaha iti smithardram tardram bhavaterita gataha. So the next line, if you have the is, remove that is, put a visarga at the end of the third line, gataha, comma. So the last line becomes te daraka darajanam yayachire. Nivedayadvam grihini janayamam disheyurannam karunakula imaha iti smitardram bhavate rita gataha te dharaka darajanam yayachire.
निवेदयध्वं गृहिणी जनाय मां दिशेयुरन्नं करुणाकुलायिमाः इति स्मितार्द्रं भवते ऋता गताः ते दारका दारजनं ययाचिरे. निवेदयध्वं गृहिणी जनाय मां दिशेयुरन्नं करुणाकुलायिमाः इति स्मितार्द्रं भवते ऋता गताः ते दारका दारजनं ययाचिरे.
निवेदयध्वं गृहिणी जनाय मां दिशेयुरन्नं करुणाकुलायिमाः इति स्मितार्द्रं भवते ऋता गताः ते दारका दारजनं ययाचिरे. निवेदयध्वं गृहिणी जनाय मां दिशेयुरन्नं करुणाकुलायिमाः इति स्मितार्द्रं भवते ऋता गताः ते दारका दारजनं ययाचिरे.
Grihita namni tvai sambramakulaha. If you do not have a visarga there, but you have a ish in the next line, remove that ish and then put a visarga at the end of the first line and a comma. So sambramakulaha, comma. Next line, chaturbidham bojya rasam pragrihya taha chiram dritha tvat pravilokanagrahaha comma swakair niruddha api turnamayayuhu. So in chaturbidham bhojya means 4 types of food. The 4 types of food are: one food which you have to chew and eat, one food which you have to drink, then one food which you have to kind of like in the like kind of sucking, right? Like the chappi, you squeeze and you eat, the suck and eat in your mouth. And the last is the one which you can lick and eat, like a pickle where you just lick sometimes, right? So those are the 4 types of food. So the Brahmana's wives gave Chaturvidam bhojya. They give 4 types of food to the boys here. Grihitanamne tvai sambhramakulah chaturvidam bhojya rasam pragrihyatah chiram dhritatvat pravilokanagrahah swakair niruddha apiturnamayeyuh.
Grihitanamni tvayi sambhramakulah chaturvidham bhojyarasam prahrihyataha chiram dhritatvat pravilokanagrahaha swakai niruddha apiturnamayeyuh. Grihitanamni tvayi sambhramakulah chaturvidam bhojyarasam prahrihyataha chiram dhritatvat pravilokanagrahaha swakai niruddha apiturnamayeyuh.
गृहीतनाम्नि त्वयि सम्भ्रमाकुलाः चतुर्विधं भोज्यरसं प्रगृह्यताः चिरं धृतत्वत्प्रविलोकनाग्रहाः स्वकैर्निरुद्धा अपि तूर्णमाययुः गृहीतनाम्नि त्वयि सम्भ्रमाकुलाः चतुर्विधं भोज्यरसं प्रगृह्यताः चिरं धृतत्वत्प्रविलोकनाग्रहाः स्वकैर्निरुद्धा अपि तूर्णमाययुः
Bilola pincham chikure kapolayoho, comma, samullasat kundalam ardram ikshite. If you want to break it 3 parts, kundalam ardram ikshite or kundalam ardram ikshite, you can say it together. Nidaya bahum suhradam. So suhradam sa simani, and then put a plus. Stitam
Rajesh, what do you say? Suhridam?
suhradam. Suhradam.
Suhridam.
Illa hr. Not hra. Hr. What do you have?
Suhridam, right?
Yeah. Suhradam.
Okay, Suhridam, apra sasimani
Illa suhrudam sa simani.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Suhrudam sa simani, and then put a plus. Stitam bhavantam samaloka yanta taha. So this is you have to visualize, right? So when the Brahmin wives are coming, they're getting the food. The boys are bringing the wives there. So they're seeing Krishna standing with pincham, the peacock feathers, right, on Kapola Yoho, on his head. And again, like Bhattripat describes in the 100th chapter, he says that kundalam, whatever earrings he's wearing, is reflecting on his cheeks, right, or both the earrings. And then he's bahum, he's put his hands on Suhrudamsa Simani, on his friend's shoulder. So he's standing with Staila with one hand on his friend's shoulder and his feet crossed, and then he's having this peacock feather in his head, and then the earrings are reflecting on his on his cheeks, right? So Krishna was standing. That's how they're seeing Krishna. Bilola pincham chikure kapolayoho samullasat kundalamadramikshite nidaya bahum suhrudam sasimanistitam bhavantam samalokayantataha.
Vilola pincham chikure kapolayohu samullasat kundalamadramikshite nidhaya bahum suhrudam sasimani stitam bhavantam samalokayantataha. Vilola pincham chikure kapolayoho samullasat kundalamadramikshite nidhaya bahum suhrudam sasimani stitam bhavantam samalokayantataha.
विलोलपिञ्छं चिकुरे कपोलयोः समुल्लसत्कुण्डलमाद्रमीक्षिते निधाय बाहुं सुहृदं ससीमनि स्थितं भवन्दं समलोकयन्तताः विलोलपिञ्छं चिकुरेकपोलयोः समुल्लसत्कुण्डलमाद्रमीक्षिते निधाय बाहुं सुहृदं ससीमनि स्थितं भवन्दं समलोकयन्दताः
तदा च काचित् त्वदुपागम ओध्यता. If you want to break it, त्वद upagam ओध्यता, or you can say it together, तदा च काचित् त्वदुपागमोध्यता, comma, गृहीत हस्ता दैतेन यज्वना, तदैव संचिन्त्य भवन्तम् अंजसा, comma, विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ. तथा च काचित् त्वदुपागमोद्यथा गृहीतहस्तादयितेन यज्वना, तदैव सञ्चिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ.
तदा च काचित् त्वदुपागमोद्यता गृहीतहस्तादयितेन यज्वना, तदैव सञ्चिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ. तदा च काचित् त्वदुपागमोद्यता गृहीतहस्तादयितेन यज्वना, तदैव सञ्चिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ.
तदा च काचित् तुदुपाङ्गमोद्यता गृहीतहस्तादयितेन यज्वना, तदैव संचिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ.
The third line, tadaiva, it's not samchintya, it's an in sound should come there. Sanchintya.
Thank you, Raj. I was about to ask, I have a wrong thing there.
Sanchindya, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
तदा च काचित् तुदुपाङ्गमोद्यता गृहीतहस्तादयितेन यज्वना, तदैव सञ्चिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा. Is correct?
No, go ahead.
तदैव सञ्चिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ.
Yeah, that's correct. The first line, the kachit twadu, you're saying panga. It's pagam. Not, there's no in or
There is
in.
no in, okay.
Yeah,
तदा च काचित् तुदुपागमोद्य, correct?
yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Adhaya. Next word, you can't quite break it, but you remember the word anugraham. Anugrihya. Remember that word, then you will get it. So bojyani anugrihya. That's the word. It's bojyani anugrihya. Two words combined, but you have to say it together. So bojyani anugrihya taha. So put a if sound there. Taf punaha. So next line, if you have a is, remove that is out and put a visarga at the end of this line. Punaha, comma. Twadhanga sangha sprihayoj jatir. So half ij ja is coming. Sprihayoj jatir griham. Bilokya yajnaya visarjayan nimaha. Again, visarga at the end of that line. Visarjayan nimaha, comma. If you have a ish in that next line, to join, remove that off and say chakarta bhartrunapi. If you have a one r, you can put a double r. Some books have a single r. So chakarta bhartrunapi taswa gharhanan. So somebody had a question.
Okay, Rajesh, what is the third line? Bilokya yajnaya visarjayan. What's the last word?
It's visarjayan imaha, but then because in is coming, it becomes a double n. So visarjayan nimaha.
Visarjayan imaha.
Visarjayan nimaha. Double n on the two n's there.
Oh, double n. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So visarjayan nimaha.
Okay. Thanks.
So Shobha had a question?
No, I had the same question. Yeah, what she had. Yeah.
Yeah.
கடைசி வார்த்தை என்னது? தாஸ்வ garhanana.
Yeah, it's actually tasu agarhanan, 2 words, but then the su and a will come. So it's taswa garhanan. Wait, what do you have? So you mute irukku Savita.
Yes. அப்படிதான் இருக்கு. ஆனா எனக்கு அது எப்படி ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணனும்
Yeah,
தெரியல.
yeah.
ஓகே.
Taswa garhanan.
ஓகே.
Adhaya bhojyan, sorry. Adhaya bhojyan yanugrhyatah punaha twadanga sangasprihayojjatir griham bilokya yajnaya visarjayannimaha chakarta bhartruna pitasvagarhanan.
ஆதாய போஜ்யான்யக்னுக்ரு ஆதாய போஜ்யான்யனுக்ருஹ்யதாः புனः त्वदङ्ग सङ्गस्पृहयोजतीर्गृहं विलोक्य यज्ञाय विसर्जयन् इमाः चकर्थ भर्तॄनपि तास्वगर्हणान् आदाय भोज्यान्यनुगृह्यताः पुनः त्वदङ्ग सङ्गस्पृहयोजतीर्गृहं विलोक्य यज्ञाय विसर्जयन् इमाः चकर्त भर्तॄनपि तास्वगर्हणान्
आदाय पूज्यान्यनुगृह्यताः पुनः त्वदङ्गसङ्गस्पृहयोज्यतीर्गृहम् विलोक्य यज्ञाय विसर्जयन्निमाः चकर्त भर्तॄनपि तास्वगर्हणान् आदाय पूज्यान्यनुगृह्यताः पुनः त्वदङ्गसङ्गस्पृहयोज्यतीर्गृहम् विलोक्य यज्ञाय विसर्जयन्निमाः चकर्थ भर्तॄनपि तास्वगर्हणान्.
Priya, that bhartru, right? That place, it's the oo sound will not come there. It's bhartrunapi.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Chakarta bhartrunapi tasvagarhanan.
Yeah, I don't know how it is in Malayalam, but in Sanskrit, oo means, for those who are looking at Sanskrit script, oo it'll turn to the left. R turns to the right. So it turns to the right because bhartru, there's no oo sound there. Okay. Nirupya dosham nijam angana jane or nijamangana jane, comma, bilokya bhaktim cha punar vicharibihi. Prabuddha, double the, prabuddha tatvais twama bishtuto. Tvam abishtuto or twama bishtuto dvijaihi. Put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Next line, if you have a ir, that goes away. Marut puradhisha nirundi me gadan. Wait, I wanted to just say this. That is one printout here. I forgot the tune. After this, I'll tell. Nirupya dosham nijamangana jane bilokya bhaktim cha punar vicharibihi prabuddha tatvais twamabishtuto dvijaihi marut puradhisha nirundi me gadhan.
निरूप्य दोषं निजमङ्गनाजने विलोक्य भक्तिं च पुनर्विचारिभिः प्रबुद्धतत्त्वैस्त्वमभिष्टुतो द्विजैः मरुत्पुराधीश निरुन्धि मे गदान् निरूप्य दोषं निजमङ्गनाजने विलोक्य भक्तिं च पुनर्विचारिभिः प्रबुद्धतत्त्वैस्त्वमभिष्टुतो द्विजैः मरुत्पुराधीश निरुन्धि मे गदान्
निरूप्य दोषं निजमङ्गनाजने विलोक्य भक्तिं च पुनर्विचारिभिः प्रबुद्धतत्त्वैस्त्वमभिष्टुतो द्विजैः मरुत्पुराधीश निरुन्धि मे गदान् निरूप्य दोषं निजमङ्गनाजने विलोक्य भक्तिं च पुनर्विचारिभिः प्रबुद्धतत्त्वैस्त्वमभिष्टुतो द्विजैः मरुत्पुराधीश निरुन्धि मे गतान्. श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
I just had this very nice two stanzas from Bhagavatam, but like suddenly shifting from the Narayanam tune to the Bhagavatam tune, even it just messes the tune up. So I was like paused there. So this goes. Nasam dvijati samskaro nanivaso guravapi natapo natma mimamsa na shaucham na kriya shubha. 4 lines, 2 lines. So here the Brahmins are saying that these wives, Nasam, they don't have Dvijati Samskaro. Dvija, like I said, is twice born, so Brahmin. So all the samskaras or the traditions that the Brahmin males follow, they say these people do not follow any of those samskaras. Na Nivaso Guravapi, they have not stayed with the Guru, because all these people used to go and stay with the Guru, right? And they learn a lot of things staying in the ashrama of the Guru. They're saying these women have not stayed. Na Nivaso Guravapi, they have not stayed with the Gurus, they haven't learned anything there. Na Tapo, they have not performed any penance to learn, more about how things work. Na Atma Mimamsa, they have not done self-reflection of their Atma to philosophically understand how things are. They have not done that either. Na Shaucham, na Kriya Shubhaha, they have not done Shubha. Kriya is activities or things, right? Ritualistic activities. So they have not done any of those pious activities either, right? That's the first 2. However, it says, Tatapi Huttama Shloke Krishne Yogeshwareshware Bhaktir Dridana Chasmakam Samskaradi Matamapi. However, what they have done is, Uttama Shloke, the highest of the shlokams, the highest of the verses, praise Krishna as Yogeshwareshware. Yogeshwara Ishwaras Ishwara. So the head of the yogas, right? And they praise Krishna in the highest of form. And to that Krishna, they have Bhaktir Drida. They have that very strong devotion that these women actually have. However, na Chasmakam, which we don't have. That's what those people said. We do not have that because we are so focused on all the samskaras, on performing all the samskaras. So that's the summary which the Brahmins actually say at the end when they accept their wife back, saying that they have not done anything, but what they have is they have the devotion, which was completely missing in the activities which we are doing. So anyway, so that completes 62. So we'll move on to 63. So 60 will change. I think Ammuchechi. Then I was going to have Jayashree, but I think Jayashree is not there. So let me just check. Danya also is missing. Okay, Satya, you can be a student today. Okay. Satya and Ammuchechi, okay. So 62. So Kadachit Gopalan Vihita Makha Sambhara Vibhavan, comma, Nirikshya Tvam Shaure Magava Madam Udvamsitu. If you want to break it, Magava Madam Udvamsitu Manaha. I was trying to see if in the between the lines we want to put a comma, but I want to see if we can do it without that. But if you all feel that we should pause between the lines, we can put appropriate. I know where to put the commas. So either on the 2 lines. Okay, let's do two lines. Yeah. Kadhachit Gopalan Vihita Makasambhara Vibhavan Nirikshyattvam Shaure Magava Madamudvam Situmanaha.
Who's going?
Ammuchechi, you want to go? You can go.
Sure. Kadachit Gopalan Vihidamakasamphara Vibhavan Nirikshatvam Shaure Maghavamadamuddvam Situmanaha. Kadachit Gopalan Vihidamakasamphara Vibhavan Nirikshatvam Shaure Maghavamadamuddvam Situmanaha.
Tune in.
Kadachit Gopalan
Kadachit Gopalan विहितमक संभार विभवान् निरीक्ष्य त्वं शौरे मघवमदमुद्वंसितुमनाः कदाचित् गोपालान् विहितमक संभार विभवान् निरीक्ष्य त्वं शौरे मघवमदमुद्वंसितुमनाः.
Rajesh, one quick question. The Kadachit Gopalan kapram pause kadiyadla. There's no
That's what
comma.
I was debating, right? Is I wanted to see how they are chanting, and when they're chanting, they're anyway pausing there. So that's why I was debating is we can either break these lines in between, like Kadachit Gopalan, comma, and do it, or we can say it together. But if people are all anyways pausing, then I don't know what you prefer when you are chanting.
I think we'll pause. I mean, that way we'll know exactly where to pause rather than where to take.
So most lines there will be an in between, right? So in this case, after Kadachit Gopalan, you can put a comma there. Adhe mari next line, Nirikshya Tvam Shaure. After that, there is a comma. Okay, so we can do it that way. Bijanan, again here also like the same logic. Bijanan Appietan, but it becomes a double na. So Bijanan Appietan, comma, Binaya Mridu Nandadi Pashupan. So put a in at the end of that line if you don't have it. In and then a comma. Next line, that na pricha becomes apricha. So you have aprichaha. Put a ih sound. Apricha kovayam, comma, Janaka bhavatam udyama iti. Vijanannapyetan binayamridunandadi pashupan aprichah kovayam Janaka bhavatam udyama iti.
Vijanannapyetan vinayamridunandadi pashupan apritchakko vayam Janaka bhavatam udyama iti. Vijanannapyetan vinayamridunandadi pashupan apritchakko vayam Janaka bhavatam udyama iti.
Vijanannapyetan vinayamridunandadi pashupan apritchakko vayam Janaka bhavatam udyama iti. Vijanannapyetan vinayamridunandadi pashupan apritchakko vayam Janaka bhavatam udyama iti.
Babhashe Nandastwam, comma, Sutha Nanu Vidheyo Maghavato, comma, Makho Varshe Varshe, comma, Sukhayati Sa Varshena Prithivim. Babhashe Nandastwam Sutananu Vidheyo Magavato Makho Varshe Varshe Sukhayati Sa Varshena Prithivim.
Babhashe nandastvam sutananu vitheyo makhavato makho varshe varshe sukhayati savarshena prithivim. Babhashe nandastvam sutananu vitheyo makhavato makho varshe varshe sukhayati savarshena prithivim.
Babhashe nandastvam sutananu videyo magavato makho varshe varshe sukayati savarshena prithivim. Babhashe nandastvam sutananu videyo magavato makho varshe varshe sukayati savarshena prithivim.
Nrinam Varsha Yattam, double ta Yattam, comma, Nikhilam Upajibhyam, or Nikhilam Upajibhyam Mahitale, comma. Next line, next word, you can either break it Visheshat Asmakam or say it together Visheshad Asmakam, comma, Trina Salila Jiva Hi Pashavaha. Nrinam Varshayattam Nikhilam Upajibhyam Mahitale Visheshad Asmakam Trinasalila Jiva Hi Pashavaha.
Nrinam vashayatam nikhilam upajivyam mahitale विशेषादस्माकं तृणसलिलजीवा हि पशवः नृणां वर्षायत्तं निखिलमुपजीव्यं महितले विशेषादस्माकं तृणसलिलजीवा हि पशवः. Rajesh, the fourth line, is it jiva or jivya? I have jivya there.
I
Go
had
ahead.
the whole same question. I had Jivya in both the books.
I have Jiva.
Jiva, let me check the prapati. Give me one sec.
Because we have jivyam in the previous line too.
Yeah, the last
Yeah,
line.
that one has GVM, correct.
So I'm thinking maybe this is also jivya.
52, right? I didn't have it ready. One sec.
என்னோட செகண்ட் லாஸ்ட் லைன்ல ஜீவா தான் இருக்கு ராஜேஷ் நீ
Yeah,
சொன்ன
yeah.
மாதிரி.
I'm just checking here. Okay, so the prapati, they have Jivya, so we can just change it to Jivya. I just want to be consistent with that. So yeah, the last line, Trina Salila Jivya hi Pashavaha.
So ரெண்டு இடத்துலயுமே ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல ஜிவிஎம், செகண்ட் லைன்ல ஃபோர்த் லைன்ல ஜிவியா.
Correct.
ஜிவியா தான ஜிவியாம்
Jivya.
கிடையாது.
Yeah, correct. Jivya.
Jivya.
Instead of Jiva, it's Vya.
नृणां वर्षायत्तं निखिलमुपजीव्यं महितले विशेषादस्माकं तृणसलिल जीव्या हि पशवः नृणां वर्षायत्तं निखिलमुपजीव्यं महितले विशेषादस्माकं तृणसलिल जीव्या हि पशवः.
Iti Shrutva Vacham Piturai, and then a comma. Bhavanaha Sarasam, comma. Dige Tanno Satyam, comma. Magava Janita Vrishti Riti Yat. Iti Shrutva Vacham Piturai Bhavanaha Sarasam Dige Tanno Satyam Magava Janita Vrishti Riti Yat.
Idhi sritva vacham piturayi bhavanah sarasam diketanno satyam makhavajanita vrishtiriti yat.
Muchichi, the first line, Bhavanaha Sarasam.
Okay. Idhi sritva vacham piturayi bhavanah sarasam diketanno satyam makhavajanita vrishtiriti yat.
Which line I'm seeing? Okay.
First line, Ishrutva Vacham.
Oh, iti shrutva vacham piturai bhavanahas. Am I right?
Iti Shrutva Vacham Piturai.
Okay. Iti shrutva vacham piturai bhavanahas sarasam digetanno satyam magavajanita vrishtiritiyat. Iti shrutva vacham piturai Bhavanah sarasam digetanno satyam magavajanita vrishtiritiyat.
Adrishtam.
ராஜேஷ் ஒரு சந்தேகம், அது பித்து ரயியா இல்ல ரையா?
இல்ல
இல்ல
Pitu
சேர்த்து
Rai.
சொல்லும்போது அப்படி சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கா?
இல்ல, it's Pituhu Ai. Okay, so the Pituhu Ai க்கு வந்து joining is the ir. So that's why it becomes Pitu Rai.
ரயி தானே, ஈ தானே அது
Yeah,
முடியும்
E, Y-I, E, yeah. Adrishtam Jivanam, comma, Srijati Khalu Brishtim Samuchitam, comma, Maharanye Brikshaha, comma there, Kimiva Balim Indraya Dhadate. I'm so tempted to say the meaning of this, but I don't want to get into it in the Padik. The rest of the class will go in the meaning. I'll maybe consolidate and say it the next time.
Rajesh, so the Maharanye Vriksha Kimiva and the Vriksha Ha Varumanga.
Anga put a Visarga there.
Rajesh,
if you don't
frozen
have.
for me.
Yeah.
Oh, put a Visarga. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
put a Visarga if you don't have it. Yeah.
And then pause there.
And pause there. And then Kimiva Balim Indraya Dhadate.
Rajesh, I have one doubt. So the first line, iti shrutva vacham, right? Why is that pause coming after piturai?
Because iti shrutva, hearing, vacham, the words, Piturai, spoken by your father.
Oh, acha. Because I thought Vacham kulla and the tune pragaram for me Vacham kitta pause varudhu.
Yeah, that's why in some places it doesn't exact. You have to see where that logical break comes, right? So that's why in this case it is coming after Piturai. Adrishtam jivanam srijati khalu vrishtim samuchitam maharanye vrikshaha kimiva bhalimindraya dhadate.
Adrishtam jivanam srijati khalu vrishtim samuchitam maharanye vrikshaha kimiva balimindraya dadate. Adrishtam jivanam srijati khalu vrishtim samuchitam maharanye vrikshaha kimiva balimindraya dadate.
Adrishtam jivanam srijati khalu vrishtim samuchitam maharanye vrikshaha kimiva balimindraya dadate. Adrishtam jivanam srijati khalu vrishtim samuchitam maharanye vrikshaha kimiva balimindraya dadate.
Idam tavat satyam, comma, yadiha pashavo naha. So put a ich sound there. Nah kuladhanam, comma, tadha jibya yasau. I'm trying to think that I don't have a comma, but jibya yasau very rich. Yeah, so under it's a shorter sentence, so we won't pause there. So tada jibya yasau bhalira chala. So balir achala, but you can say it together. Balira chala bhartre samuchitaha. So no pause in that line. Idham tavat satyam yadiha pashavo nah kuladhanam tadha jibya yasau bhalira chala bhartre samuchitaha.
Idam tavat satyam yadiha pashavo na kuladhanam tada jivyaya sau balirachalabhatre samuchitaha. Idam
Sorry, I'm sorry. I thought you were done. Sorry.
That's okay. Idam tavat satyam yadiha pashavo na kuladhanam tada jivyaya sau balirachalabhatre samuchitaha.
I want to ask Raju, everybody are pausing after Yasau, right? So, a pause.
Yeah, because again, the asau means this bali, this offering. So, if you want to pause, you have to pause after balihi. You make it balihi, and then then you have to say tadha jivya yasau balihi achala bhartre samuchitaha. So that will become a little bit complicated.
This is good. This is good.
Okay.
Idam tavat satyam yadiha pashavo nah kuladhanam tada jivyaya sau balirachala bhartre samuchitaha. Idam tavat satyam yadiha pashavo nah kuladhanam tada jivyaya sau balirachala bhartre samuchitaha.
So next word surebyo pyutkrishta, that you have to say it together. You can't because it's surebyo plus apyutkrishta joined together, right? So surebyo pyutkrishta ha. If you don't have a visarga, put a visarga there and a comma. Surebyo pyutkrishta ha, comma. Nanu dharani deva. You have a visarga, but remember because it's coming before that ksha, you have to say that visarga. You don't have to fully pause, but just say that visarga. So nanu dharani deva ha kshititale, a comma. Tatas tepyaradhya. Tatas tepyaradhyaha. Again, there, if you want to pause it, then you have to put a visarga there and a comma. So put a visarga there. Tepyaradhyaha, comma. Iti jagadita tvam nija janan. Surebyo pyutkrishtaha nanudharani devaha kshititale. Tataste pyaradhyaha iti jagadidatvam nijajanan.
Surebyo pyutkrishtaha nanudharani devaha kshititale tadaste pyaradhyaha iti jagadidatvam nijajanan. Surebyo pyutkrishtaha ननु धरणि देवाः क्षितितले तदस्तेऽप्याराध्याः इति जगदि दत्त्वं निजजनान्
सुरेभ्योऽप्युत्कृष्टाः ननु धरणि देवाः क्षितितले ततस्तेऽप्याराध्याः इति जगदि तत्त्वं निजजनान् सुरेभ्योऽप्युत्कृष्टाः ननु धरणि देवाः क्षितितले ततस्तेऽप्याराध्याः इति जगदि तत्त्वं निजजनान्.
Rajesh,
You were just
one-
rushing through the words. So, iti jagadita. And the
Press pannuma.
no, not stress, but it just felt like you rushed through it. I don't know why.
Oh,
But that's okay.
Because I tune varnu odite nenikiren.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
I'll say one more time. Yeah.
No, that's okay. You know, if
Hello.
as long as you have it, yeah.
Huh?
No, it's good. It's good. Yeah, as long as you
No,
got
I
it.
want to try. Say that line. Na, let me
Yeah,
say
go ahead.
so.
Huh.
In the last line, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Tataste pyara.
Tataste
No,
pyaraadhya.
not long. Tataste pyara.
So tataste pyaraadhya. Iti jagadi tattvam nijajanan.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to rush. It should land even otherwise. Jagadita.
Can you say that? Like,
Tataste pyara. Iti jagadita tvam nijajanan.
so there's a pause, little pause for the program.
Yeah, you don't have. That's what I'm saying. It felt like you rushed and there was no need for that. I know.
Oh,
That's it. No worries. So
But
Uma,
Rajesh, ஒரு quick question.
Yeah.
ததஸ்தேப்யா ராத்யாஹா இருக்காங்கியும்.
ஆமா அந்த இடத்துல we put a visarga only because we are stopping there. If you're not stopping there, there's no visarga. You don't say the visarga before e, right? Or there's no joining thing. But because you are stopping in between, we are putting that visarga there because that word itself has a visarga.
அப்ப தேர்ட் லைன்லயும் விசர்கா இருக்கா? விசர்க்கமே இல்ல இதுல ரெண்டு லைன்லயுமே.
அதான் சொல்றேன்.
சுரேப்யோப்யு
ஆமா அதான் சொல்றேன். அந்த சுரேப்யோ அபி உத்கிருஷ்டாஹா, அந்த உத்கிருஷ்டாஹா, the word is உத்கிருஷ்டாஹா. Similarly, api aradhyaha, both of those words for the meaning have a visarga. But when you're putting it before na and e, you don't generally put it because there's no joining thing. So if you were saying it together, if you want to say those lines, we wouldn't put the visarga there. You'll just say it. Surebhyo pyutkrishta nanudharani devaha kshititale abdi. Namma and nadula, because you're pausing, if you pause there, you have to say the visarga there.
Okay.
Okay, then you have to put the visarga, that's all. Okay, because that words itself have it, but when you comes before e and na, they don't put because there's no joining the general abdi podradilla avladha.
Okay.
Okay.
Rajesh, I had one question in the Surebhyo அந்த லைன் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அங்க அந்த தேவாக்கு அப்புறம் the ich sound இல்ல விசர்கா sound
இல்ல, அங்க visarga sound because ksha is coming, right? Anytime
Okay.
ksha comes, you have to say the visarga in front.
Okay.
There's no joining letter for that.
Okay, thank you.
It'll come again in the next stanza as well.
சரி, அது புரியல எனக்கு, அது ich sound இல்ல விசர்கா sound.
Yeah. So bhavat vacham shrutva, comma, bahu mati yutas tepi pashupaha, comma, dvijendran archanto, if you want to break it, or you can say dvijendran archanto together, comma, balim adha duruchaihi, if you want to break it, balim adha duruchaihi. Again, no pause, but say that visarga kshiti brite, because ksha is coming next. Bhavat vacham shrutva bahumati yutastepi pashupaha dvijendranarchanto bhalimada duruchaihi kshiti brite.
भवद्वाजं श्रुत्वा बहुमतियुतास्तेऽपि पशुपाः द्विजेन्द्रानर्चन्तो बलिमददुरुच्चैः क्षितिप्रदे. भवद्वाजं श्रुत्वा बहुमतियुतास्तेऽपि पशुपाः द्विजेन्द्रानर्चन्तो बलिमददुरुच्चैः क्षितिप्रदे.
Bhavat vacham shrutva bahumati yutastepi pashupaha dvijendranarchanto बलिमददुरुच्चैः श्रुतिभृते भवद्वाचं श्रुत्वा बहुमतियुतास्तेऽपि पशुपाः विजेन्द्रानर्चन्तो बलिमददुरुच्चैः श्रुतिभृते.
The kshi, K sound has to come. Kshiti.
Shiti, yeah.
KSH.
அதான் KSH தான் இருக்கு எனக்கு. So அது கேட்கும்போது
She, I'm hearing it as she, but it's kshi.
இக்ஷிதி அந்த அதான் அந்த க்ஷ வர மாட்டேங்குது. விஜேந்திரானச்சந்தோ வலிமததுருச்சைஹி க்ஷிதி அது சேர்ந்தா வர மாட்டேங்குது இது.
Like KSH.
No, I'm getting Kshiti. I have a friend whose name is Kshiti, but what I'm saying is
Kshatriya.
if you join that line Brite, Kshiti and he kapra, because there's a visarga there, right?
Yeah.
Everything together a tongue twister. I'll try one more time. Dvijendranacchanto Valimadaduruchaihi Kshiti Brite. I think we have to do something with that line.
Kshatriya, right? That K.
No, it is definitely coming. What I'm saying, because in the visarga and he
Visarga in the front, yeah.
next to that Shruti varadanaala it's not, it's joining again.
I know.
Actually put tricky line பண்ணுவாங்க நான்.
Vyaduhu, so put a if there. Vyaduh pradakshinyam, again that ksha, kshinyam, comma. Subrisham, that word you can break it as subrisham anamannadhara. So it's anaman adhara, but again that in and a, so it becomes double na there. So subrisham anamannadhara yutaha. Put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Next line, if you have a is, then that goes away. So it starts with Tvam Adash Shailatma, comma. Next word, Balim Akilam Abira, if you want to break it. Balim Akilam Abira Purataha. Now you can say it together. Vyaduh Pradakshinyam Subrushamanamannadharayutaha Tvamadashailatma Bhalimakilamaabhira Purataha.
Vyadupradakshinyam Subrishamanamannadharayutaha Tvamadashailatma Balimakilamaabhira Purataha. Vyadupradakshinyam Subrishamanamannadharayutaha Tvamadashailatma Balimakilamaabhira Purataha.
Vyaduh pradakshinyam subrisham anamannadharayutaha Tvamadashailatma Balimakilamaabhira Purataha. Vyaduh pradakshinyam subrisham anamannadharayutaha Tvamadashailatma Balimakilamaabhira Purataha.
We'll do one more maybe. Avochash Chaivam Tan. If you have Avochaha, anybody, put a ish to join. Avochash Chaivam Tan, comma. Kimiha Vithatham Me Nigaditham, comma. Girindro Nanveshaha. So even again there also, if you don't have a visarga, because you're going to stop there, you can put a visarga there and a comma. Girindro Nanveshaha, comma. Swa Balim Upabhunkte, or Balim Upabhunkte, you can say it together. Balim Upabhunkte Swa Vapusha. Avochaschaivam Tan Kimiha Bitatham Me Nigaditam Girindro Nanveshaha Swabhalimupabhunkte Swavapusha.
Avojaschaivam Tan Kimiha Vitatam Me Nigatitam Girindro Nanveshaha Swabhalimupabhunkte Swavapusha. Avojaschaivam Tan Kimiha Vitatam Me Nigatitam Girindro Nanveshaha Swabhalimupabhunkte Swavapusha.
Avochaschaivam Tan Kimiha Vitatam Me Nigaditam Girindro Nanveshaha Swabhalimupabhunkte Swavapusha. Avochaschaivam Tan किमिह विततं मे निगदितं गिरीन्द्रो नन्वेषः स्वबलिमुपभुङ्क्ते स्ववपुषा
अयं गोत्रो कॉमा गोत्र द्विषि च कुपिते रक्षितुमलं कॉमा समस्तान ityuktaha, or you can say samastan ityukta, but again there also we have to put a visarga because we are stopping there. Ityuktaha comma next word jahrushura jahrushur akila or jahrushuhu. If you have, you can add the ra again, same logic. Jahrushura gokula jushaha. Anybody has jahrushuhu there? Okay.
No, but I have ityuktva.
You have samastan ityukta, right? Ityuktuva.
Yuktva.
Okay, that is ukta only because it is telling, talking. So that is ta.
Okay.
Ityukta.
Okay. Thank you, Rajesh.
I am gotro gotra dvishicha kupite rakshitumalam samastanityuktaha jahrushura gokula jushaha.
Ayam gotro gotradvishita kupite rakshitumalam samastanityuktaha jahrushurakhila gokula jushaha. Ayam gotro gotradvishita kupite rakshitumalam samastanityuktaha jahrushurakhila gokula jushaha.
अयं गोत्रो गोत्रद्विषिच कुपिते रक्षितुमलं समस्तानित्युक्ताः जहृषुरकिला गोकुलजुषः. अयं गोत्रो गोत्रद्विषिच कुपिते रक्षितुमलं समस्तानित्युक्ताः जहृषुरकिला गोकुलजुषः.
Maybe we'll do just one more.
Rajesh, fulla mudichidalama.
Fulla, I think it will be tough to finish it. It will take another 15-20 minutes. So we'll finish one and then next class we'll catch up for sure. Pariprita yataha, comma, khalu bhavadupeta braja jusho, comma, brajam. This next line, second line is continuous. There's no pause there. Brajam yavat tavan nija makha bibhangam nishamayan. Pariprita yataha.
This is the 10th line. Can you repeat once again?
Yep. Brajam yavat tavan nija. In case you have tavat as a separate word and then nija, then because it's one word, it becomes a double na there. Okay, so in case any of you have tavat. So yavat tavan nija makha bibhangam nishamayan.
Okay, thanks.
Pariprita yataha khalu bhavadupeta vrajajusho brajam yavat tavan nijamaka bibhangam nishamayan.
Rajesh, second line enga pause?
No pause there.
Oh, okay.
Pariprita yataha khalu bhavadupetavat vrajajusho vrajam yavat tavan nijamaka vibhangam nishamayan. Pariprita yataha khalu bhavadupeta vrajajusho vrajam yavat tavan nijamaka vibhangam nishamayan.
परिप्रीता याताः खलु भवदुपेता व्रजजुषो व्रजं यावत्तावन् निजमकविभङ्गं निशमयन्. परिप्रीता याताः खलु भवदुपेता व्रजजुषो व्रजं यावत्तावन् निजमकविभङ्गं निशमयन्.
Bhavantam. Next, this line also there's no pause. Okay. Bhavantam janan napyadika. So janan napyadika rajasa kranta. So rajasa akranta, but it is written like the double S in Sanskrit, just together. So rajasa kranta hridayo, comma. So I'll repeat again. Bhavantam janan napyadika rajasakranta hridayo, comma, na sehe devendraha. You can put remove that is if you have it and replace it with the visarga and a comma. Devendraha, comma. Tvadu parichita. So in the line also you can't break it. You have to say it together. So tvadu parachitat mona therapy. Because it's tvad uparachita atma, multiple words are there. So you say it together. Tvadu parachitat mona therapy. Bhavantam janannapyadika rajasakranta hridayo nasehe devendraha tvadu parachitat mona therapy.
Bhavantam jananyapyadhikarajasākranta hridayo nasehe devendraha tvaduparachidātmonatirapi. Bhavantam jananyapyadhikarajasākranta hridayo nasehe devendraha tvaduparachidātmonatirapi.
Bhavantam janannapyadhikarajasākrāntahridayo nasehe devendraha tvaduparachitaatmonatirapi. Bhavantam janannapyadhikarajasākrāntahridayo nasehe devendraha tvaduparachitaatmonatirapi.
Rajesh, I have a question on the last line. So twat irukku apra u, right? So we are removing u and we're saying twadu, swadu. So is it twadu or twatu? Tavadu adu.
Illa, adu vandu, see, the individual words are twat and u.
Right.
Okay. But when you write it together, it becomes twadu. Nariya edathila vandu that it becomes a the in a lot of cases.
So
you
it's
join
twadu
it
then.
something. Yeah.
Okay.
So it becomes twadu para. But the individual words will be twat uparachita.
Okay.
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 Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahmatattvam tattavadbhadi sakshat guru pavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.